How to fix call ended problem on Android. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix call ended problem on Android. If you are experiencing a call ended problem on your Android device where calls are dropping or ending unexpectedly, here are some steps you can try to resolve this issue. First of all, make sure you are in an area with a strong cellular signal. Try moving to a different location if this is the problem. Second one is to restart your device. Restarting a device can resolve temporary software glitches that might be causing the issue. You can also turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. This can reset your device network connections. Also, you need to make sure your phone's software is up to date, as updates often include bug fixes that can resolve call issues. To check software updates, you need to go to the device settings, and here you need to scroll down until you find the option Software Update. Here tap on Software Update and check if there is any update available. If you didn't find this option, you may also search in the System tab, or you can tap on the search icon at the top right of the setting homepage, and from there in the search bar you can type in System Update or similar keyword and then search for it. Once you find it, you can tap on it and go inside it to check if there is any update available for your software. Also, clearing a cache of phone app can resolve issues related to corrupted data. For that, you need to come to the settings first, and here you need to find applications. Once you find the applications, tap on apps and open it. Here you need to scroll down to find phone application. Once you find the phone application, tap on it to open it, and here scroll down to find storage. Tap on storage and then here tap on clear cache at the bottom right to clear the cache. You may also clear the data, but this will remove all your data included in phone. Also ensure that you have enough balance in your SIM card. If there isn't enough balance, then you'll not be able to perform the task. So these steps should help you resolve the call ended problem on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.